Squirm, squirm. When people squirm, they twist their bodies or wiggle around. Let's watch the worm squirm. Now you say squirm. Squirm. Burst, burst. When things burst, they break open suddenly. The girl used a bat to burst open the piñata. Now you say burst. Burst. Tangle, tangle. A tangle is a twisted mess of knots. My sister's tangle of hair is hard to brush. Now you say tangle. Tangle. Examine, examine. If you examine something, you look at it very closely. The doctor had to examine my ears. Now you say examine. Examine. Judge, judge. When you judge something, you make a decision after carefully thinking about it. The man will judge the pie baking contest. Now you say judge. Judge. Space, space. When there is space between one thing and another, it means there is distance between them. There is a big space between the girl's front teeth. Now you say space. Space. Fasten, fasten. When you fasten objects together, you join them. Don't forget to fasten your seatbelt. Now you say fasten. Fasten. Frantic, frantic. When you are frantic, you get very excited because you are afraid or nervous. He made a frantic dash to catch the bus. Now you say frantic. Frantic. Shock, shock. A shock is a sudden, surprising event that often is upsetting. The bat popping out came as a shock to the rider. Now you say shock. Shock. Spread, spread. When you spread something, you stretch it out. I watched the peacock spread its feathers. Now you say spread. Spread.